2624 Browns Mill Road is conveniently located just off Highway 70 East or 111 South in Putnam County. It's a great location and it's a hard to find property. It's 3,000 plus square feet with 2 living spaces. So it would be great for the multi-generational family. And it's nestled in the woods here on Browns Mill Road, as you can see, with a great mountain view on 6.71 acres. And one really neat feature about this property, the seller added a detached workshop, as you can see over to the left. It has a great space for whatever your home projects are, or your home if you want to work from home and need that space. And the upper level is floored, so it has tons of storage. And outside, it is set up for a master gardener. It has the watering system. So this is a great property with acreage